Did you know a home burglary occurs every 54 seconds in the United States? In this video, I provide you with basic steps to safeguard your home. Some of these steps will cost you $0 out of pocket and are simple habits you can implement to further protect your home. You should start by conducting a security audit. This is a free and easy way to assess your home's vulnerabilities. Walk around your home and identify potential weak points, such as old windows, doors with weak locks, or dark areas that could hide intruders, such as behind large shrubs or hedges. Take inventory of any keys, ensuring all spares are accounted for. According to a survey, 34% of burglars enter through the front door. Upgrade those door locks if needed. You can also install deadbolts and smart locks on exterior doors. Consider locks that meet the American National Standards Institute Grade 1 specifications. Grade 1 door locks offer the highest level of lock security. These locks are very difficult to pick or break and are resistant to any tampering with the lock's parts, like removing pins or screws. They're mostly used in high security and commercial settings like banks and office buildings. They're also being used in residential settings as a result of the increased need for home security. Consider using door reinforcement kits to strengthen door frames and hinges. A thief typically wants to avoid making the noise created by breaking glass. Thus, the higher quality of the sash, the more protection it offers. Install window locks on the sash and consider shatter-resistant window films. There are several different types of window locks to choose from. With a good quality lock installed and fastened, the intruder must break a hole in the glass to reach a lock that he can turn to open the window. If a keyed sash lock is installed, the intruder must break all the glass and crawl through the sash. Place motion-activated lights around your home's exterior, especially at all entry points in dark areas. Use landscape lighting to eliminate dark spots in your yard where intruders could hide. Decide between a self-installed security system or a professionally installed system. Ensure your system includes door and window sensors, motion detectors, and a high-decibel alarm. Consider choosing a security system with remote monitoring and control by smartphone. Install cameras at key points. Place cameras at all entry points, the garage, and other critical areas. Ensure cameras are visible as they can deter burglars. Look for features like night vision, motion detection, and weatherproof capabilities. Wi-Fi-enabled cameras that offer remote viewing via smartphone apps are highly beneficial for real-time monitoring. Use a smart garage door opener that alerts you when the door is open or closed and allows you to control it remotely. Ensure that garage doors and windows are as secure as those on the main house, with quality locks and reinforced glass. Prevent potential intruders from seeing inside by using curtains or frosted window film. Now for some free and easy measures to further safeguard your home. Be cautious about what you share on social media, especially regarding being away from home or vacations. Make it a habit to lock all doors and windows every time you leave the house and before going to bed. Avoid leaving spare keys in obvious places. Consider giving a spare key to a trusted neighbor or friend instead. Use timers or smart plugs for lights, TVs, and radios to make it appear like someone is home even when you're away. Ensure your home internet is secured with a strong, unique password. Enable network encryption for your network to protect against unauthorized access. Participate in or start a neighborhood watch program. Being part of a community effort can significantly enhance security. Exchange contact information with trusted neighbors to alert each other about any suspicious activities or emergencies. Regularly review your home's security measures to adapt to new threats or changes in technology. By systematically addressing each of these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your home, deter potential intruders, and create a safer environment for yourself and your family. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you found this helpful.